Yeah, what is up guys, it's Bolt here and today I just wanted to make a quick video about different console commands and what console commands are. Yeah, basically if you don't know you can use your console which looks like this. So basically you can enter stuff in and that will change your settings in game and stuff like that. So if you don't know how to enable this, you go to your options, you go to game settings and it's going to be the fourth one down, enable developer console, you want to tick yes. Okay. So yeah, and I'll just see in game and I'll show you a few commands that you can use. So yeah. Okay guys, so basically, let me show you the basic ones. Okay, so to start off with, to open your console, you click the button that's under escape, and that will open the console. You can change the button in the menu. Anyway, so the first one that I would say you should get familiar with is sensitivity. So basically, just type in sensitivity 2.1 or something like that. Now your mouse sensitivity is going to be lower, so I'll put mine back to sensitivity 3 and now it's back up. Okay, so another one that you can use, and it's one that I use in almost every game, is net graph 1. Okay, what that is going to show you is, if you look in the bottom right of your screen, you're going to see FPS, then you're going to see ping, and on the very right you will see up and CMD. That is going to be the tick of the server you're on. So if you're playing on 128 tick, it's going to say 128.0 per second. Okay, so this is very useful as well. Okay, basically 0 is to turn off everything. Another thing you can use is show FPS. Yeah, CL underscore show FPS 1. And as you can see in the top left of the corner, it will show you your FPS and it will show you the map that you're on right now. Sorry, C underscore show FPS. Okay, so those are the basic commands. Now, if you're going to be hosting your own server and you want to practice some stuff, you can kick bots. Basically, if you're hosting your own server and you want to use more commands, basically the one that you should learn off is SVCheats1. That enables you to use God mode and no clip and all that stuff. So if you want to do God mode, you type in God 1 and now basically you're invincible. Nothing can kill you. So that's what that does. So I'll turn that off. God 0.
Let's go.
Okay, so another command that you can use is show impact. So basically you type in sv underscore show impact 1. This only works offline or on your server. So basically what that is going to show you is when you shoot, it's going to leave these like purple boxes, so you actually know where you shot. So that's what SV show impacts does. If you're playing offline with bots and you want to kick the bots, what you do is bot kick, and what you can do is you can follow it by the name of the bot. So let's say uh, bot kick Gaben. It will kick Gaben. It will kick the bot that's called Gaben, but if you want to kick all of them, you type in bot kick all, and that will get rid of all of them. And if you want to add a bot, you just type in bot add T. And if you want to just like keep adding, you just keep adding. No, I mean keep bot add T.
This is our day.
You see now it's going to add a bot onto the other team. And if you want to get rid of him, you type in bot kick. This. And now he has been kicked from the game. So that's pretty much it. Another thing that you can show. Yeah, SV underscore grenade trajectory 1. Now what this is going to show you is this.
Throwing smoke.
Can you see the line? Okay, so basically this is going to show you from where you threw the grenade and where it ended up and how it bounced and all that stuff. So that's really good for practicing smokes and stuff like that. So yeah.
Let's go, people.
Okay guys, another command that you can use is voice enable 0. Basically what this is going to do is it is going to allow you to not hear any voice communication in the game. So if you're playing like a deathmatch, or if you're playing some casual and you don't want to listen to a bunch of like Russian kids spamming or something like that, just open up the console, type in voice enable 0, and you will get rid of all the communication. No one, you will not be able to hear anyone. Basically, that's what that does. If you want to mute a specific person, what you would do is you type in status, and that is going to show you all that stuff. It's going to show you it's also going to show you the IP of the server and stuff like that, and all that stuff. But what you're gonna see here is user ID, right? So whatever the ID is of the person, right here, you click voice. Okay, you type in voice mute, followed by the number, the ID here. So I just type into. Okay, wait, voice mute 1. Yeah, okay, sorry, it's this number. It's this number right here, the one that is closest to the name. So you type in voice mute followed by the number, and that specific person will be muted for the rest of the game or whatever until you play on a different server or something like that. So that is what that's going to do. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Obviously, you can use status as well if you want to give the IP to a friend or something like that. And yeah, that's how it works. Okay guys, so that is going to be the end of this video. If you did enjoy it, you can drop a like. If you disliked it, drop a dislike. If you want to see a bit more content, you can drop a cheeky sub. It's up to you, So yeah, peace out guys.